Hey, how's it going from the Whit-Ness? It's winter project, trying to get it done. So today this is what I'm going to do. I have my boat table. Unfortunately, our dog Sully decided to use the table as a chew toy, chewed the whole entire edge. So what I did, I had to sand it down, restain it, and now I'm going to re-glass it. So I'm going to do a quick video on how to glass your table, and this is for the inside, and then hopefully it turns out. So okay, so we're back, mixed it for 3 minutes and it's ready to go. So we're just going to apply it on the table. You're going to gently go over the whole table, smooth it out completely.